hotel. I was out there with turning wrenches there, helping another YouTuber out with his car. He's satisfied with the install of the new torque converter he had put in. And I didn't get much video. Well, I didn't get no video whatsoever of the install because I was too busy, and it takes a lot of time to camera positions and all that and whatnot. Go over to his channel, check it out. He did do some recording on it. L to the W. Check him out. Tell him I sent you over there if you're watching this. And I guess I'm gonna get back to the hotel. I'm gonna jump in the shower and try to get this done and get cleaned up and whatnot, and see what the wife wants to do. L and his wife extended their welcome out to a show tonight, and once I get back to the hotel and find out, talk with the wife and see if she's up to doing all the walking, because you know she can't do much with her health and stuff. So I'll find out when I get back to the hotel, see if she's up to it. If so, we'll meet up with them and go enjoy some lights and whatnot. So, but that's gonna do it for today's video. Like I said, this is a short video. I didn't get much recording, like I said, but comment, like, and subscribe. And tomorrow we're gonna head down to the beach and hang out on the beach tomorrow on our last day here in Florida. So we stopped here at Sonic's to get us something to eat before we hit the road, and we got 8 hours 15 minutes to get home, so that should put us home about 6:30 tonight. And but I want to say thank you to L to the W for allowing me to come down and work on your car. Most car people would not let other people touch their car, but thanks, man. I appreciate you letting me do it. Like I said, a lot of people won't let another guy or another person come in and touch their car to work on it, to do anything. Most car guys are hands-on themselves. So let's go ahead, let's hit the road, let's get home, and be done with this weekend.
If you compare those temperatures to our average, you can see we're pretty close to it. Maybe a degree or two cooler than our official average high, but it's right where we should be this time of the year. So here's what you can expect if we go into our app.
Florida native Heather Jones married Chris.
Alrighty, so me and the wife, we finally made it back to Kentucky. For a whole round trip, it was 1,231.5 miles. So I'm glad that we got to go. Just wish the wife felt a little bit better for being down there. And I hopefully everything works out for his car. He can get that thing lined out. So best luck to you, L to the W. Let me know if I can help you out anymore. I'll be more than happy to try to make arrangements to come back down and try to help you out again. But that's going to do it for today's video. I want to appreciate y'all for watching. If y'all hit that thumbs up, subscribe button, and leave a comment below. Tell me what y'all think about his car. Go over to his channel, give him a sub, and keep up to date on that car. And he has a pretty nice 6th gen Camaro 50th anniversary. It's pro charged. Hopefully he'll do some more videos with that. That's a pretty sick looking car. And he has a couple other cars, but go over to his channel, check him out, subscribe to his, and but like I said, that's gonna do it for today's video. I appreciate y'all watching. Until the next one.